Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to create a YouTube channel. So to create a YouTube channel, first you will need a Gmail account. If you already have it, you can use that. If you don't have it, let us first learn how to create a Gmail account. So first go to Google Chrome and type create Gmail account. After you type that, you will get this first link. So go to this link and scroll down. We have an option here, create an account, or you can also come to how do I create a new Google account. After this, choose your account type, Google account type. So choose for myself. Then here you give your first name, last name. For example, I give ABC, and last name is optional, so you can skip if you want. To select your birth date, January. Select your gender if you want to. Have to choose a username. So sometimes the usernames that we choose are already taken. For example, this username must be between 6 and 30 characters long. So username. So this username is already taken. So you choose your unique username and then click on next. Give your password. Now you have to verify some info before creating your account. So since I am creating this account in my laptop, so I will have to scan this QR code with my phone to verify my device or phone number with the new Google account. After the verification is done, your account will be created. Now, after we have created our Google account, this is my new Google account that I have created. So after this, I will go to YouTube. Now since this is a fresh new Google account, therefore there is nothing in the search bar, nothing in my home or feed as well. So I will click here and I have an option, create a channel. So I will click on this, create a channel. So the name of my channel is Learn and Grow and the handle of my channel is Learn and Grow H1O. So I can change the handle if I want. So let me change the handle. So the handle contains unsupported characters, that is this special character. So I will remove this. And this handle isn't available. So let us see. Okay, now this handle is available. So we will use this handle and we will create a channel. Channel is created. This is a fresh new channel. After this, you have to customize your channel. Here we have the history, playlist, watch later, liked videos, etc. option. Then we go to home, go to view our channel. So this is my channel. We have an option here, manage videos and customize channel. Also we have an option here to create. So this option we will use whenever we want to upload any content, be it in a short video format or a long video format. Now we go to customize channel, and this will take us to YouTube Studio page. So after going to the YouTube Studio page, here is our channels dashboard. Here you will have the analytics. From here you can customize the name of your channel, which can be changed twice in 14 days only. The handle of your channel also can be changed within 14 days twice. Here you can give the description of your channel, you can upload photos, and here is the link of your channel. If you want to give any email ID, you can give that. Also, if you want any watermark on your video, you can upload that watermark image here, and it will automatically get updated to all your videos that you upload. So yes everyone, this was it for today. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such videos.